All right, so welcome to the second video. The second video is where we concentrate on this steps, on steps 5 and 6. So we will have completed steps 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the previous video. Now we go down to here. So in your GarageBand project, we're going to click on the loops button. You'll find this in the top right-hand corner of your project window. So we go back to the project window, and here's your loops button up here. Click it, and it opens up the loops library. Now that that's open, you'll see that this keyboard's partially obscuring that. We can get rid of the keyboard simply by hitting Command and the letter K, and it goes away. You can always bring it back by doing the same thing, so Command K, and your keyboard comes back, and we'll use it later. Let's just get rid of it for the moment. All right, so now this next step, we're going to be adding a drum loop track. This is a little bit of fun. You get to browse the drum loops and be able to find the drum loop groove that you like. All right, we're going to loop it for 12 bars, and yeah, it's a pretty simple step. So here in the loops browser, we're just going to choose drum loops. So if I click all drums, it narrows down the search to any drum field. All right, I'm just going to turn the volume down. This gets a bit loud. So what you can do is you can go through and click any drum track you like. I don't mind which one you use. It's up to your taste. So click the drum track that you like, and to have a listen to it, it'll preview it. There you go. To stop it playing, just click it again. So you can choose any one that you like. Let's see what this one sounds like. Let's click it and preview it. I might choose something a bit different. All right. I know that this one up here will work. Generally, the grooves that are 8 bars long are probably the best ones to use, but you can try them any one you like. So I'm going to use this one here. It's a pretty simple little 4/4 groove. What you do once you've found the one you like, you click on it. You click on the loop, and then drag it across into your project. So click and drag, and then just drop it in your project. There you go, and it'll create the new track for you. You don't need to create a new track at all for this. You just click the loop you want and drag it across into your project. All right. If you'll notice that I haven't dropped the loop on the first beat of the first bar. It's simple to move. You just click on the title, and then you can click and drag it to where you want to put it. So click on the title of the loop, click and drag to where you'd like it to be. Now what you need to do is you need to loop that track for the duration of your recorded project. So your project should be 12 bars long if you've reached this step. At the moment, for the purposes of this video, mine's only 8 bars long. It doesn't matter, the steps are still the same. So we're going to loop it for 12 bars by clicking and dragging the top right-hand corner of the drum loop that you've selected. So here's the top right-hand corner. You'll notice that this little looped arrow or looped cursor comes up. So if I click and drag now, so click and drag, it'll loop the drum beat for the duration of the program or the duration of your project. All right, and it'll sound like this. I'll click that there to be able to move the cursor all the way across to the left or the playhead, and we hit play. This is what it sounds like. All right, now what you'll have in your project, of course, is chords 5, then chord 4, and then 2 bars of chord 1 to finish with. But that's all that step really is. Okay, once you've done that, you can move on to the next video, which is step 3, and it shows you how to record in a bass line.